Hey y'all, how you doing, YouTubers and followers? It's me, your reality life coach, popping in yet again this week to bring you your weekly truth and your reality check. In today's video, I'm about to define manhood. Yes, that's what I said. I'm about to define manhood from y'all, from a woman insight. And no, I'm not a man, but I'm gonna help somebody on today. Fellas, manhood has absolutely nothing to do with your penis or how big your penis is. Manhood has nothing to do with how many women you can sleep with or how many women you've already slept with. And manhood has nothing to do with your physique and how big your muscles are. Y'all come on in and hit like and share because this is how you defined manhood. All right, manhood, number one. Fellas, manhood is being able to provide and protect a woman 100% and accept the role for caring for a woman as God requires him to do so. And you will do that without murmuring and complaining about it. And women, y'all beware of men who say it should be 50-50. Because I'm telling y'all now, this is a man that does not have a kingdom mindset and he is not operating under the will of God. Manhood is being respectful to women. All right, here's another one. Manhood is being able to make a decision and following through on it and sticking to that decision. The next one. Manhood is about taking responsibility for your actions and being conscious of the choices that you make. All right, I'm moving on. Manhood is about having self-control. You got to be able to manage your urges and control your temper. Let's get it together, men. Now here's an important one, fellas. Listen to me. Manhood is being able to represent himself with character, morals, and values. That means doing the right thing even when no one is looking. Integrity. Last but not least, listen to me, fellas. Manhood is being able to represent yourself, your spouse, your children with honor, where that you can give them something to brag on you about. What do I mean by that? You do not bring embarrassment or humiliation onto yourself, especially your spouse, your children, or your family. That means your manhood is giving your family and kids and children something to be proud of and something society can brag about. You have to be the exemplifier. Now here's some biblical scriptures to back up my definition. Y'all ready? Y'all know I gotta go to the word. So listen up. While y'all listening, like and share and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to 1 Corinthians 11:3. It says, "But I would have you know that the head of every man is Christ, and the head of the woman is the man, and the head of Christ is God." That means you are the leader. Here's the next scripture. 1 Timothy 5:8. "But if any provide not for his own, and especially for those of his own house, he had denied the faith and is worse than an infidel." That means you are the provider. Listen to me, men. Manhood is being the provider, the protector, and the leader. That's how you define manhood. Not all this other stuff that society say defines manhood. Your muscles and your penis and how many women you can sleep with, as if like that's something cool. Y'all is making me mad. Look, I'm out. I'm gonna leave that right there. That's all I got. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.